friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today, we are going to be drawing a strawberry. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with the stem of the strawberry. So you're going to draw one curved line like that. All right, and then right next to it, you're going to draw another curve. It's a skinny little strawberry stem. Nice. Now we're going to do this part of the leaves that go around the strawberry. And it's a zigzag line. It kind of reminds me of a starfish. So I'm going to start over here and just do some kind of zigzag starfishy looking lines until I get all the way around to the other side, and then I'll stop. Good. All right, now we're going to close off the stem, and you want to close it off with a little bit of a curved line on the bottom right there, and then a little bit of the curved line on the top. Now we've finished our strawberry top. We'll do the sides next. This part looks sort of like a heart. Do you see that heart shape? We just can't see the little dip down because of our stem there. So let's start with one side of our heart. And I like to start kind of in the middle of my starfish line. So some of the leaves are still on top. All right, and I'll curve it down towards the bottom like that. And then I'll stop. Then I'm going to come around to the other side and do the other half of my heart shape and meet up with the bottom. How does yours look? It may not look exactly like mine, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're learning how to draw and having fun, right? All right, what else do we need? We need seeds. Let's add some seeds. And I'm making mine a little bigger probably than they may actually be on a strawberry, but I want to be able to color them in. All right, so I'm going to add a bunch of seeds. You can add as many as you want to. And you all, if I'm ever going too fast for you, remember that you can always pause the video. All right, so we'll get all of our strawberry seeds in there. Should we add some color? I think so. All right, I've got my colored pencils, and I am going to start with the red for the strawberry. I'm going to do some yellow for the seeds and then some green for the stem. And I'm going to fast forward through this part, but if you want, you can stop at the end if you want to see and match my colors. Wow, that was a lot of red. I had to sharpen my pencil twice to fill in this whole big strawberry. Wow, friends, great job drawing your strawberry. I would love to see your strawberries, so please share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your strawberry uploaded into our Club Firefly gallery. Hey, remember to like and subscribe too. Until next time, keep on drawing, and remember, it's just lines.